Hello friends, guten Tag. In this lesson we will see the verb in German and the present tense conjugation. Verbs are words that describe an action or talk about something that happens. There are actually three types of verbs in German, each of which has different tendencies: strong, weak, and mixed. Most German verbs are weak verbs, and weak verbs in German are all regular verbs, which means that once you know the infinitive, you can form any other conjugation in standard ways. Let us take the verb to play in English as an example. The German equivalent of to play is spielen. To conjugate this verb in German, we have to remove the en ending and we get the stem of the verb. For spielen, the stem is spiel. To conjugate the verb, that means to use it in a sentence, you must add the correct ending to the stem. If you want to say I play or I am playing, you add an e ending. Ich spiele. Each person requires its own ending on the verb. This is called conjugating the verb. Let us see the different verbs ending with an example. The verb endings for each pronoun are indicated in red color. Ich spiele. I play or I am playing. Du spielst. You play. Spielt. He plays. Sie spielt. She plays. Es spielt. It plays. Wir spielen. We play. Ihr spielt. You play. Sie spielen. They play. Sie spielen. You play. Please note the pronunciation of the verb spielen. It is spielen, not spielen. In general, the combination of sp and st are pronounced with the ish sound when this combination at the start of a word comes. For example, spielen, Sport, Straße, Spaß. Please note, sometimes the vowel changes, but this only applies to du and cs, second and third person singular. Let us see the example, fahren, to drive. In this case, a changes to a with umlaut. Ich fahre. Du fährst. Fährt. Sie fährt. Es fährt. Wir fahren. Ihr fahrt. Sie fahren. Another example, sprechen, to speak. In this case, e changes to I. Ich spreche. Du sprichst. Spricht. Sie spricht. Es spricht. Wir sprechen. Ihr sprecht. Sie sprechen. Another example, lesen, to read. In this case, e changes to ie. Ich lese. Du liest. Liest. Sie liest. Es liest. Wir lesen. Ihr lest. Sie lesen. Now let us see some more examples. For example, kommen. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Wer kommt aus Indien? Peter kommt aus dem Iran. Sandra und Paul kommen aus Indien. Machen. Was macht ihr in Berlin? Wir lernen Deutsch. Wohnst du allein in Berlin? Now let us see some common irregular verbs and their meaning. Gehen, to go. Kommen, to come. Wohnen, to live. Kaufen, to buy. Trinken, to drink. Arbeiten, to work. Machen, to make or to do. Fragen, to ask. Antworten, to answer. Hören, to hear. Sagen, to say. Verstehen, to understand. Denken, to think. Suchen, to search or to look for. Kochen, to cook. Schreiben, to write. Beginnen, to begin. Stehen, to stand. Sitzen, to sit. Warten, to wait. Schließen, to close. Öffnen, to open. Singen, to sing. Tanzen, to dance. Lieben, to love. Dear friends, try to learn the verbs and their meaning. You can also try to conjugate these verbs. That means you can add the correct ending to the stem of the verb. Hope you will enjoy learning. Viel Glück. Tschüss.